Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check if iPhone screen is original or not. Now in this video, I will share with you a few methods to check if your iPhone screen is original or not. For the first method, just check if the Face ID on your iPhone is working or not. iPhones from iPhone X onward, if they have an aftermarket or a fake display, the Face ID will not work. Now for that, just open Settings, then tap on Face ID and passcode. And from here, just tap on Setup Face ID and check if Face ID is working or not. Now just tap on Get Started and set up your Face ID. Tap on Setup Later, then tap on Done. From here, just create a lock screen PIN, then tap on Use Anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now after you set up your Face ID, then go to your lock screen and check if Face ID is working or not. Just like that. Now for the second method, just check if the bezels on your iPhone are even all around the display or not. Most aftermarket or fake displays don't have even bezels all around the display. That is why just check the bezels on your iPhone and make sure that they are even all around. For the third method, just open Settings, then tap on General. From here, just tap on About. Now, if your iPhone has been repaired, you will see a Parts and Service History section over here. If it says Genuine Apple Part in front of Display section, then the screen of your iPhone is original. But if it says Unknown Part in front of the Display section, then the screen of your iPhone is not original. Now, since our iPhone has not been repaired, the Parts and Service section is not appearing over here. But if your iPhone has been repaired, the Parts and Service section will appear right here. Now for the fourth method, just check if True Tone is working or not. If the display of your iPhone has been changed with a fake or an aftermarket display, True Tone will not work on your iPhone. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. Then tap and hold on the brightness slider and tap on True Tone and check if True Tone is working or not. Now, in some cases, True Tone works on some aftermarket displays, but for most of the people, True Tone will not work on most aftermarket or fake displays. And this is how you can check if your iPhone screen is original or not. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.